Hello everyone, welcome to Java Learners. In this video, we are going to learn what is qualifier annotation and how it can be used. Let's try to understand a problem where qualifier annotation can be used. We have an interface named notification service, and this interface has two implementation classes: email notification service and SMS notification service. Both of these classes are annotated with component annotation. We have another class named notification sender, and this class is also annotated with component annotation. The notification sender class contains a dependency of notification service, and this class has a method send, and this send method internally invokes the send method of the notification service. When Spring application starts, Spring's IOC container will create beans for the classes which are annotated with component annotation, and Spring's IOC container will also look for the methods in the configuration classes which are annotated with bean annotation, and it will also create the bean for those methods. For notification, two beans would be created. One would be email notification service and other would be SMS notification service. IOC container will also create a bean for notification sender. The notification sender class has a dependency for the notification. So Spring IOC container will try to inject the notification dependency in the notification sender class. But Spring IOC container has two different beans available for notification, so it would not be able to identify which bean it has to inject. Qualifier annotation with @AutoAdd annotation can be used in such scenarios. Using the @qualifier annotation, we can specify which bean should be injected. The @qualifier annotation can be used to resolve ambiguity problem when multiple beans of same type are present in the application context. Let's talk about where we can use @qualifier annotation. @qualifier annotation can be used on fields in a class. The @qualifier annotation can be used with the parameters of the constructors. The @qualifier annotation can also be used on the setter methods. I have created a Spring Boot project, and the Spring Boot version in this project is 3.4.1, and in this project I am also using one dependency named as Spring Boot Starter. I have created an interface named notification service, and this interface has one method. I have created email notification service class, and this class is implementing the notification service interface. And in this class I have created no argument constructor, and I have overridden the send method. I have created SMS notification service class. This class implements notification service interface. Inside this class, I have declared a no argument constructor, and I have also overridden the send method. In this class, inside the constructor, I have added the println statement, and when the bean for SMS notification service would be created, at that time this message would be displayed on the screen. SMS notification service and email notification service both are declared components using the @component annotation. We have another class named notification sender, and this class is also annotated with @component annotation. This class has a dependency for notification service. Here notification service is an interface which we have created, and this interface has two implementation classes. The notification sender class has one no argument constructor. Inside the no argument constructor, I have added the println statement to display the message. When a bean is created for notification sender class. And I have also created one method named send, and this send method internally invokes the send method of the notification. There is an application class. This class contains a main method. Inside the main method, we have access to the application context, and here from the application context, we are retrieving the notification sender bean, and then we are invoking the send method of the notification sender. In the notification sender class, we have a dependency for notification service, and in order to inject the dependency in this field, we need to annotate this field with the @AutoAdd annotation. Let me run the application now. Here we can see that application failed to start, and let's see what is the reason. The error message is that field notification in notification sender class required a single bean, but two were found. So we have created two beans for notification, right? One is email notification service and other one is SMS notification service. So here Spring IOC container is not able to identify which bean it has to inject in the notification sender class. Let's see how to fix it. In order to fix this, we can use @qualifier annotation, and in the @qualifier annotation, we can provide the name of the dependency that we want to inject. Suppose we want to inject email notification service dependency in the notification sender. Inside the @qualifier annotation, we have to provide the name of the dependency that we want to inject. So I want to inject email notification service dependency here. So that's why I have provided the name of the email notification service. Now let me run the application again. Here we can see that beans are created for email notification, notification sender, and SMS notification service. And we can also see that one message is printed, and message is that email notification is sent. And here it is clear that email notification bean is injected in the notification sender class. That's why we are getting this message. If the bean is injected for SMS notification, then the message would be different. In that case, the message would be SMS notification is sent, right? There is one improvement which we can do in the notification sender class. In the @qualifier annotation, we are providing the name of the dependency, and that name is very big. So we can do one thing. We can provide the names to the dependencies, and then in the @qualifier annotation, we can provide that name. To email notification service bean, I have provided a name email, and to SMS notification service, I'm going to provide a name as SMS. Inside the notification sender, now I need to specify the bean name, and that would be email. So now we are done with the changes, and let me execute the code again. Here we can see it, application is working fine. Bean is injected for email notification. Let me update the dependency name in the notification center class. I'm updating it to SMS. Now let me execute the code again. Here we can see that SMS notification bean is injected in the notification center because it is invoking the send method of the SMS notification service class. From the notification center class, I have removed the @AutoAdd annotation from the notification service field, and I have also removed the at qualifier annotation. I have created a one argument constructor, and this constructor is annotated with at autowired annotation. And using this one argument constructor, we are going to inject the dependency. And using the at qualifier annotation, we are going to specify that email notification bean should be injected here. I'm done with the changes. Now I'm going to execute the application. Here we can see that email notification is sent to the user. So email notification bean is injected. Let me update this email with SMS. Yeah, here we can see that SMS notification bean is injected in the notification sender. Till now we have applied the at qualifier annotation on the field and on the parameters of the constructor. Now I am going to remove the one argument constructor from the notification sender class, and I would create one setter method for notification, and on the setter method I would apply the at autowired annotation with at qualifier annotation. On the setter method I have applied the at autowired annotation and at qualifier annotation. In the at qualifier annotation I have also specified which bean should be injected here. So in this case, that bean would be SMS notification service. So let me execute the application again. Here we can see that SMS notification bean is injected in the notification sender class. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.